Hey everyone, and welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name's Rebecca, and on this video, we're going to be doing another cocktail recipe. The drink we're gonna do today, I'm going to call a pecan pie. It's a little bit wintry, a little bit sweet, and it uses the combination of bourbon, Baileys, and caramel with a little hint of cinnamon and pecans. All right, to make this cocktail, we are going to use a martini glass again. I did fill my shaker with some ice. So to make one cocktail, you're gonna do 1 shot of bourbon, to 2 shots of Baileys. Then to add a teeny bit of caramel flavor, we're going to also put about a teaspoon of caramel in there. And then 1 dash of cinnamon. All right, so pop your shaker lid on. Give it a shake. All right, so to prep my glass, I'm just gonna use some of the same caramel sauce and just put a little bit on a paper plate because it is sticky. And then I'm just gonna take my glass and do a small rim around the edge. This stuff can get a bit heavy, so I would recommend that you don't use too much and let any excess drip off. And what I just did is I just put some pecans in a bag. I'm gonna take my rim and I'm gonna just drip it straight into the nuts. So there's my glass. Now I'm just gonna pour my drink directly into my glass. And then you're just gonna take a little tiny pecan. Don't pick a big one because it will not float. And there you have it. I hope you guys like this one. It is a little bit on the sweeter side, but I never usually make those, so I feel like it's a little bit different. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you are not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you always know when I upload new content. Enjoy, and I will see you guys next time.